Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and on top of the beautiful Wied Babu. Here is the main road to the Zurrieq. You have to go down, there's metal stairs, and today I will go down this path. There's a stairs here, then we go under the fallen rock until we reach the sea, hopefully. And this is one of the best valleys one can trek in. So let's start this adventure because it will require some scrambling too, but it's very nice. Here one can find some steps, so it makes it a little bit easier going down, although there are no steps as one has at home, but the view of the valley, it's already very nice. And this valley continues also inland, but today I'm going to start from here and go to the sea. One can see I have steps, and I will go down slowly because my arm still hurts from when I slip in goats. But here I have very good steps to go down. Maybe like this, you can see them behind me. Oops. But there I'm still having steps here. Now I have reached this point here. I have this spot with the stairs again, like this. There are stairs, and then I go in this jungle of foliage down here. The stairs are not so even, so you have to take great care not to slip in here, and I'm taking great care. Now we have to pass through this foliage tunnel here. Look how nice it is. And today it's very hot again. It's 22 degrees. Those plants you see here and there, they are all made of thorns. Here one to have to take care because there are places like this that you have to walk above here, because if you fall here there's only trees and foliage and you get stuck. So no. Look how nice it is, the trail here. As usual, I want to say thank you to my sponsors, which are JM Motors and Zoleo, the satellite communicator. Oops. The soil is a little bit damp, but I will not complain because finally it rained lately. But here we start seeing this beautiful valley walls. This valley here is very popular with rock climbers and abseiling. So when you reach here, one have to turn on the right, and you can see how beautiful it is. Move slowly because some of the rocks are a little bit slippery. And if you fall down here, although you will not die, it will not be pleasant there because it's full of thorns. But it's very nice. And the birds here, let me. Amazing, the birds here. From here on, the foliage is a little bit more open, and one can have better view of where we are going. But we have to pass on top of these rocks here. Today I have a trekking pole with me because here there are places you need it. We're going to move on this part. And here, if you see here, it's not the ground. This is thorns, eh? So falling inside here, you'll not die for sure. But I don't want to try this out. I'm keeping to this side. And so we'll hit a feature of this area, which is the big falling rock. There's a big cave down here. Up there is Blue Grotto viewpoint. And people come here and go up these cliffs, and we even sometimes came there and did some abseiling as well. Continue from last week vlog. I did keep my promise not to eat any hobza bizzeit, chips and pastizzi. And today, when I measured, I was minus 8 kilos. So I'm doing some good progress finally. When you reach this part here, one can either follow here or follow this part. Last time I did it like this, but today I'm going to do it like this. So I go under the big rock, and here the birds are. Let me stop talking, because I never do. Amazing, yeah? Let's follow the trail. It's very simple till now. Look how nice it is. These walls are. Now we have reached this massive rock here. Look how big it is, and it's iconic of this area. And we can pass under it because it's very, very big. Like this, we are passing under this big rock. Hello. Look how large it is. Amazing, yeah? A lot of people come to climb these walls, which are massive, and they look very difficult, but they have the skill to do it, and they have my respect. And here they have the safety equipment, and sometimes we did do the abseiling up there with our ropes, but that's easy going down. Going up is the problem, and then we have to continue our trail here. Beautiful place behind me. Have to say, these people were very, very kind to make some space so I can film the falling rock. Thank you guys and girls, and even have a chat with them. They are super passionate about going rock climbing, which is super hard for me. I told you many times. And now I am in the jungle again and trying to find a way to go the other side of the valley. This part here is very denser and makes it more beautiful. From behind, between, you can see the cliffs are up here and some nice caves. But let's continue. And these are all thorns, so one have to take great care. Now we made it to the bed of the valley again. It's amazing, here. And last time I passed from here, but I got stuck, so I'm going to try to pass from this side. Always take care, because many rocks are slippery today, and one can easily fall. Here I'm still following the trail. We're still going down because we have to go down by the sea. Let me remind you. What I'm afraid of this time are these places like this, because it's a little bit slippery. But till now, everything is going good. Have to pass from here. So we continue back, and then I have to go down that wall there. So I go a lower level. Here is where I have to go down. Now let me show you from here. And here is the trail. Continues this part here. And these are all thorns. Then we continue like this and we continue down. But now let's go down from here. But look at the cliff from here. It's very hot today. I'm passing through this tunnel of thorns again, but it's not that bad. Then coming places like this makes your mind relax, even the birds are. How much birds there are. Now we are getting closer to the sea, as you can see from here. Let me show you better. Look, and I can even start hearing the sea. Look at this large boat there here. There's the sea up there. Very nice, yeah? And the one up there, the railing is of the road, so people coming here can have a look without going here. But now it's a little bit difficult because I have to remove everything from my hands and trek car. So I go up to the sea. Yeah? To go down this part, I prefer to go on my bum, especially having my arm with some problems. And like this, it's more easy. Okay, let's shoot my feet. Let me change I put the pressure on the helt hand and going down slowly. I have already sent down the trekking polar, and I will do it slowly again, not to damage it, like this. And here one can find like some stairs. But today they are full of mud. We go down here, and now we made it down. I'm taking ball in hand again, and I can continue. Take care, because getting injured here can get you in trouble. Although if something happens, I can easily use my Zoleo device and send for SOS. Although today I forgot to wear it and it's in the bag, but it's still with me, and it can easily be reached. Now this part is a little bit tighter with trees, but these are not thorns, so I don't have problems. And I'm getting much nearer to the sea, because I can hear it now. I started up there in the road, followed the valley bed, and now it's going from here, although it's not that difficult. If you search better here, one can find some steps. Which steps are always safer and much easier to go down, you see. And here is my view, and I can hear now the sea getting very close. The last part here, they are a little bit tricky, but nothing too difficult, so let's make this part out. Along this part, it's a little bit tricky, but nothing difficult.